It's your boy Dodi, the coolest, and I'm back with another video. It's very poison. Anzwara still shapa a young quick update yana about hair. Light. So again I will spoil it, hence why I will one side the back side. Yeah, today we're just gonna do a mini vlog and shooting yana for Viper, take a few snaps and then so you just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's try to get this video to 100 likes. But that's the goal, 100 likes. And thank you for 300 subs. I really appreciate you for that. But let's take the channel to 500 subs for now. Stay tuned. Yeah, so Nova Fetu Rachifta, we are going to this other friend of mine, and then that cast is more chilled and doesn't have like too much pity like this side, so it's gonna be a dope place for now over like a few snaps for Viper, and then Lena like update bye. Can surprise for Lena for today, so let's just stay tuned or surprise again. I would show you now, but I just want you to stay tuned and watch the video to the fullest on Twitter. So just stay tuned and like. If you watch my videos, make sure you like, because I got gang content for Lena. I want today we're going to give you something
I'm not getting used to the camera now. I want like a smile. It's like how composed Otherwise, how's it going, people? How's it going? I'm mini updating Naya Viper, and like our friend, the coolest dude, Moka Serbuditori, we are road to. We said 500 subs.
500 subs.
Yeah,
500 subs.
We'll have like a mini update or a mini vlog, you know, a surprise. I don't want to jinx it, but let's say about Viper turns up a full house.
But I think this video today, recover fire for
for part 1.
For thanking them for like
giving us the
300 subs, you know.
Subscribers fast, you know what I mean? That was quick, you know. And so shout out to that. Yeah, I feel like today is just gonna be a glimpse of what's going to be happening. We're gonna have another part 2. Excuse my face. I can't air up anymore, so you just have to scrape it humble. But anyway, yeah, so part 1 a glimpse of what's gonna happen for our talk Saturday in Boise. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited because we need to fix the boot setup, but I'll just say that for now.
Yes.
Just say that for now.
As you heard from Boise, we got gang content for Lena. All you have to do is just subscribe and stay tuned, and always press that notification bell so that when you drop you don't get surprised about what's it. Up. You see, the fist can fit now. So this is the ride of it. I don't want to show you the surprise yet. So the surprise is like wood, and then Donald update about project high, what's next, what should we expect on Twitter. So let's just stay tuned. As you can see, set up on point.
We need to fix this now. Now we need to fix what's going on at the booth, but the other places that we were fighting about. It's already looking seats, but now we just need to fix the boot setup. This is the setup of it.
Hey. Oh yeah, boys and girls, as I was saying, today we got a surprise for Lena. So the surprise, let me just shoot, bravo, and stop beating around the bush. You remember last time Shaba was running, it was a 165 by 195.50, ne? As you can see, Buffett now is running 165.40. As you can see, the car can go more, it has more lows are here. As you can see, the front, people, you see the front. This is your front. This is how low the ride goes. And remember, last time we didn't have this. Now this there. An update on the ADT light. Intona, can you please play with the, and then another update is now you can see the front end full ADT. As you can see, Buffet too. For the final part, the final part that you've been like waiting for. So Shaba decided to go and hoy a sunroof, Buffet. Sunroof. Shout out to IS Motorsport for the roof. Poison will give us more update about the future plans of the ride and everything. As you can see, everything is running smooth. It's, officially the sunroof boys.
Yeah, this is still part one for sunroof. Obviously, you know, it was
Yeah.
between a mini or a double or boosters. So I'm putting
Yes.
a double. So I
Way
started
best.
with the single now just to see how the reliability is. Oh, but the service was top notch, bro. So as you can see, it was fitted, it's OEM. It's plug and play, man. Plug and play. It's like,
Can you please let them know, Hore, where did you get the roof?
oh, okay. So
Sunroof.
basically, if you guys remember with the first video, my roof liner was falling apart.
I forgot to show you, Buffet, too. The roof liner is, now. Yo, I have to go down now. The car is super low, Buffet, too, now.
So I needed to change this
Super
one.
low. I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comment section about the ride so far. What you think? But so far, I think the ride is coming along just fine. Everything. Excuse my camera, face. Let me try this angle, cause I want you to see how proper they did this lining and the sunroof. As you can see, the setup inside the car still look clean and mint, Buffet. Everything clean and neat. The interior, inside out. Yeah. So that was the quick update there for Shaba's back tears. Back, Buffet, not stick tick. So, boys, can you please explain to the people the future plans of the ride?
So I would say future plans. If we get to at least 400 subscribers after this video drops, I think the booth setup will be sorted out really, really soon. But I gotta get the motivation, guys. I gotta see who you guys are loving our content. You know, the engagement has to be there. So, number one priority is to fix the booth setup. Like I said, the sound is playing now. The sound is playing now, but it's not playing fully now. It's cutting because of we are loud tweaks. We like to break windows. So we like to fight with quantums. So obviously I'm a Toyota baby. So I wanna upgrade something there with the sound. But if we get 400 subscribers, I am saying this again, guys. If we get 400 subscribers with this one, with this video dropping, and then I think I will actually do that very, very soon because we do have a meet off with our guys Mokasi. So I can't wait for that one. So yeah, the first one is the boot. The other one is roof lining is good, but I want some light. So I'm trying to steal what Rolls Royce is doing with their cars. So that's what I'm trying to play around. That's why I went with black. And then the interior for now, I'm gonna pause a bit. I need to fix my windows. When I say fix my windows, I need to get a little bit of a tint at the rear. At the front, it's perfect. Just want to get a tint at the rear so that it is like, you know, your traveler or tint, you know, so that gangster tint, you know, at the back. Maybe let's say your 30 or 25% tint. And another one that I would say that I'm really excited for as well is I wanna work with my windows as well, the mechanisms. So I'm thinking of upgrading to electrical mechanism. But I'll see how, you know, it'll work out with, you know, the car. But I think it's gonna only be the front windows, and then the rear windows will remain the standard, you know, pumping system. But that's on the to-do list very, very soon. And then yeah, for now, guys, that's just it. And I tried getting rim lip protectors. It didn't go well for me, or maybe I don't know how to install them, but they kept on coming out. So for me, I feel like that was a waste of money with that mod. But yeah, I do have them with me, but I'm not using them. But my rim lip is getting scratched every time. So yeah, those are the short-term upgrades that I'm willing to do. But the one that I'm praying the channel does for us is give us 400 subscribers. I want to change the speed setup, guys. Please, 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 please. I want to break windows with this car. So yeah.
Well, are you planning on now entering shows, or you still a bit chilled about like doing shows?
You know, I'm always a spectator, bro. I'm always a spectator. But I feel like let's let the team and the peeps watching, the ladies and gents watching, they, you know, decide, okay, is she ready? You know, if she's ready, then we can do it. But if she's not for now, let's just be a spectator and respect the people that have been killing the game, and let's get motivation going.
But do you think you'll ever get motivated to attend shows and participate in those shows? Or
yeah, as a newcomer, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind as a newcomer. But I've seen how these shows are, man. Actually, these people, they make sure their cars are pristine. So there's a little bit of tweaks here and there. But if I can sort out all my debts in my car, then I feel like I will be ready.
For what? Shoe shining piano. Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah. Hi, shout out Poison, and thank you for your time. Please let people who don't know, who have never been to this channel, know where they can find you, or if they wanna know more about Viper or see more content or pictures about Viper. Where can they find you?
Sure. So I'm on Facebook, I am on Instagram, and also there's a TikTok account. But that's not run by me, it's run by my little brother. So TikTok account is Viper669. You can just check it out there, go follow and support. My young brother is really pushing, and he really loves this car. And then when it comes to me personally, and also what Viper goes through on a daily basis, because obviously the TikTok channel doesn't see a day-to-day basis of Viper. You can follow me on Instagram. It is at Kamogelo Mashaba. But I know that my editor brother will put a screenshot of the Instagram account, because it's not directly Kamogelo Mashaba. There's a bit of underscore, but I'm not sure where. And then at Facebook, I'm just Kamogelo Mashaba. You'll find me there.
Thank you. We hope too. We know that Viper is still going to come back on about more updates on the ride. So if you like Viper and want to know more, just follow Boys Love Cars, follow Kamogelo Mashaba. Yeah, and like Bafetu, we got you with we got the content. Peace. Anton. That's it. Yeah, bafethu, shop video bafethu. We still at it, bafethu. I hope you liked the video. As you can see, bafethu, stance is a culture. Stance is a culture. Is a culture. Is a culture. Is a culture. As I was saying, so that was the end of the video. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget the goal for this channel, for this video, my face is home.
That's a huge bomb. So for this day,
yeah. As I was saying, my face for opening about this.
I need to wait for my.
This.
I need to at least be at 75, 175. Same thing. Yeah, I'm trying to, you know, MLF 175 and I'm still pumping in. Otherwise, that's fine.
Poison is crying. Let's say, you have to respect. Otherwise, it's like damage and then but like the cost. As I was saying, the goal for this video, let's get this video to 100 likes and 20,000 views, Bafeti. 20,000, you heard me, 20,000 views. Now we're manifesting lots of whole, Bafeti. We are some manifesting lots of here. Let's get this video to 20k views, Bafeti. For more content, stay tuned because we're still gonna give you more updates about Viper, you know. And so more car shows, more everything. So when you just subscribe, comment, suggest what you want to see Viper do on the next video. Give us suggestions in the comment section. Yeah, and I think let's hear from Laela the viewers.
Ladies and gents, for watching this far. When they get longer, sometimes it's interesting for others, it's not interesting for others. But thank you for keep on watching. But can you please like, comment, share, and subscribe? And let's get the channel to 400 likes within a week, guys, so that we can at least do another mod.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and thanks for supporting Viper and also supporting the driver behind the wheel. And yeah, I think maybe our man behind the camera will take a shot for us if Viper will win the challenge with the municipality speed hump. Yeah, but we'll see. But thank you so much, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.